Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. When you connect your Instagram account to your Facebook profile, you can effortlessly share content between platforms, sync profile information, and simplify the login process. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to link your Instagram and Facebook accounts, enabling you to maximize the benefits of both platforms. Let's go. Linking your Instagram and Facebook accounts is a straightforward process, and you can do it either from your mobile device or computer. On your mobile device, simply open the Facebook app and log in. Then tap the Menu tab. Click the down arrow next to your profile name at the top and navigate to Account Center. Go to Set up Account Center. And when prompted to use Instagram.com to sign in, confirm and proceed. Finally, log in with your Instagram credentials to finalize the linking process. Meanwhile, here's how to link your accounts on a computer. Open your web browser and visit accountcenter.facebook.com. Sign in with your Facebook account if you haven't already. Once logged in, click the Add Account button and provide your Instagram profile information to initiate the linking process. Read the following prompts and confirm the instructions to complete the process. After that, you should now be able to easily log in or share posts between the two platforms. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.